I'm out in Sargent this morning. There's a lot of oysters out here. That's why I'm worried I'm on. Where'd you go, fish? Where'd you go? See if we can get him off of this, whatever he's on. Hopefully he didn't spit it. Come on. There we go. What did we get? Okay, we are on oyster. And he let go. On, but he's in these rocks, or the oysters. So I had to drift down here, see if I can convince him to come over. Here he comes. And these oysters are murder. Okay, come on, fish. Get up here where I can see you and get you. That's a good redfish. I don't know how big he is. Oh, come on, get off of there. Damn. Here we go. What do we get? Probably 18 inches. But he is a fish. I'm thinking, what, 17? Maybe 18 if I'm lucky. But it is a redfish, and it's in the boat. That's 17 inches. Nice little redfish. Here he comes. Got a good fish. Come on. God, he cut me off again. Either might be a trout. Could be a catfish too, but I hope not. I think it's a trout. Yep, it's a trout. A little one. I have not really caught a keeper today. Oh, I got one on. And he feels like a good one. Don't be a catfish. Yep, a catfish, of course. Because what's life without a couple catfish, right? Yeah, I think this is a big catfish. It's not running like a red or anything. Yeah, it feels like a cat, but I've been wrong before. Here it is, big old cat. I think this is another catfish. Yep. Okay. I'm about tired of catfish. Redfish finally. And he's in this grass. Here he comes. Come on. Get out of there. There you go, fish. Come on. Yep. Hey, we got a red. Let's not lose him. Oh yeah, that's a pretty redfish. Yes. Definitely want you. And we're at 20 inches. Got another one. Wow. Come on, out of there. There we go. Right here. Another nice fish. Get away from them. Crap, that wasn't good. Come on, buddy. Come on up. You're getting tired. I can tell. Look at you. Getting very, oh, you're a nice one. Okay, you gotta be longer than that. Oh, yeah. We'll take you in a heartbeat. Got another one. This looks like a smaller one. It is. Little red, rat red. We'll take him. Nice little rat red. Small red. It'll be a small one. Yep. On the popping fork. Oh, and you swallowed that, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Let's see. Maybe we can get that out of there. Stop. Okay. We got the hook out. No blood. I think it's good to go. And he's off.